Okay, so this is lesson 2. So we left off with all of this inked in like this, and your next step is just to do the trees. So do not get ahead of yourself. Make sure you're just going along step by step with me. Okay, and so we want to do, or at least I want to do my trees in kind of fall colors. So I'm choosing like red, orange, I want kind of like a maroon red. Okay, and maybe a little bit of green. Okay, maybe a little bit of brown too. All right, and I'm going to use those colors, my colors. Okay, I'm going to use those colors to put in my trees, and I don't want my trees to be exact yet. So I'm kind of mixing these up. So I'm using red and orange on this tree. And this is on one of my trees near the road. And notice I go well past, okay, well past the edge of the little twigs and stems. Okay, put those in there. And the other one I'm going to do kind of some yellows and browns in it. And I kind of do these in a swirly motion. And that's intentional to get it to look correct. Okay, so there's my other one. Okay, and I'm pausing. I'm going to do a few more and I'm going to... Okay, so now I put in my bushes and you'll see them. And they're very much like, if you notice on the patches drawing behind me, she has bushes like that on there too. Okay, so I want you to put in the bushes like that. And I use some greens and I use some other fall colors in there. Okay, so put them in there. And then the next thing you're going to do, if I can find my Sharpie, is then you're going to outline them. Okay, and the trees. So I'm going to do those and then I will show you that. Okay, so these are what they look like outlined. Notice I outlined the trees as well. Okay. All right. And I will take a picture of this as well and show you that, but I outlined all that stuff. Okay. Next, you're going to put in the patch lines. So if we look at this, these lines like this, we're going to put these in now. Okay. So I'm just going to draw in those patch lines. Notice they go like one set of hills. They kind of go one direction. So on this hill behind the barn, they slant that way. And then on the hill behind them, they slant the other way. Okay, like that. And then the hill behind that, they slant this way again. Okay, and here they go that direction just a little bit. It's very subtle. Okay, and this one they even like have a couple more in there, like that. And this one they go that way. Okay. All right. So I have basically all my patch lines in there like that. Okay. I will take a picture of this again. All right. So as you color, notice that each little section, she did with paint, but we're doing it with crayons, but you'll notice like each little section of the patch has multiple colors in it. And even the road has gray and white and then a darker gray in it. I want you to try to color it that way, and I want you to color it really smoothly. Don't want you to use your crayons like a little kid uses your crayons. I want you to color it really nice with those. So I'm going to do this first one, and I'm going to use kind of a minty green color, a regular green color, and then a yellowy green color. And I'm going to kind of mix those together. So I'm going to put the yellowy green down first, and then the regular green, and then the minty green, and I'm going to kind of overlap them, and I will show you how that looks. Okay. Okay, so here's my first layer of color. This is the minty, or the yellowy green color. And notice on this thing right here on the actual drawing, she has this grass along the edge. Oops. Wow, I managed to mess that up, didn't I? There it is. Okay, so she has this grass right along here. This. So the next thing I'm going to do is add some browns and put that in. Okay, so I did that, added those browns, and then I outlined that with my pen. Okay, now I'm going to add some greens into that. Okay, so I put the 3 different colors in mine, and I'll take a photo of this so you can see it well, but it gives that kind of impression like it's paint. Okay, so I want you to keep going. Every patch, different colors. Look at hers, use some of the colors she's using. You don't have to put them all in the same place, but don't ever put 2 patches right next to each other that are the same color. Okay, keep right on going along and do patches. Do not do the sky until you've seen the next segment. Okay, I will tell you how to do that, but I'm going to keep coloring right along with you, and I'll post a picture after I get further, but basically keep coloring just like that. Really smooth, really nice coloring, guys. Stay in the lines. Do a good job in this. This is going to be a picture your mom will like to hang up on her wall if you do a nice job of this, because it's just going to be really fall and pretty colors. Okay, make you think of driving down one of our country roads here in Kansas. Okay, so keep working on that, and like I said, don't go on to, probably don't do the road and don't do the sky till you watch the next one. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.